This is a self-contained on a tarred road. This is what the houses look like. Very fine. Yesterday I did the video, but it was partial. So this is the full video now because the keys are available. This is the passage here. The protector. Fenced with gate close to the major road. This room is over 14 by 14 size. Very big. 2 windows. This is a wallpaper. So we're going to the passage now. This is what the kitchen looks like. Some people were asking me for the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Self-contained. This is the toilet. Anything that is not good will be fixed. This is the toilet. This is the back door section. Back door. See the room again. Very spacious room. This room is over 16 by 16 size. Very big room. Front door. Nice apartment. 170K.